Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Cool Gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of blending with the original Nutribullet blender. If you're looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle, this blender has everything you need. The original Nutribullet blender is perfect for effortlessly blending fruits, vegetables, liquids, and more into nutritious smoothies. With 600 watts of power, it can easily blend everything from strawberries to spinach, delivering key nutrients to your body. The simple and intuitive design makes it a device you'll use every day. Just push, twist, and blend. Cleaning is also a breeze. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups on the top rack of the dishwasher. That's health without the hassle. Thanks for tuning in to our overview of the original Nutribullet blender. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cool Gadgets for more reviews of kitchen gadgets and other cool products. Stay tuned for our next video, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.